The Wyze Video Doorbell Pro is wireless and comes with a plug-in chime. This video doorbell provides you with an expansive view and package detection for less than $100, making it a great deal. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox this video doorbell and see what's in the box. You will get the Wyze Video Doorbell, Wyze Chime Pro, base, back plates, 3M tape, T8 screwdriver, wire nuts, 3 bracket screws, 2 extension wires, and USB charging cable. Designed with rounded edges, Wyze Video Doorbell Pro is simple and stylish. The device is mostly white, except for the glossy black camera and infrared sensor. The camera has a resolution of 1440 by 1440 pixels and a 150-degree field of view, horizontal and vertical. It uses 6 tiny infrared LEDs for black and white night vision and runs on an internal rechargeable battery that should last up to 6 months between charges. There are many features of the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. However, we have outlined some of its highlighted features here. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. The Wyze Video Doorbell Pro performed exceptionally in testing. Recordings look sharp, with good image detail and bright colors. The camera produces a slight fisheye effect. The battery can last for up to 5 months if you use it heavily. In a nutshell, considering Wi-Fi signal, night vision, ease of install, motion detection, and battery life, we rate it 8.1 out of 10. After analyzing longtime users' feedback and comments posted on different e-commerces, we found that consumers are delighted with dual-band Wi-Fi and includes chime. However, the user is dissatisfied with its slight alert latency and incompetencies with HomeKit. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.